Welcome back to Snap Magic, your tech sorcerer channel. Today let us see what is Hyper-V and how to enable it on Windows 10 by installing an operating system on it. But before we start, do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any future updates. Let's begin by going to the Start menu, and searching for Turn Windows Features on or Off, and click on it. Enable Hyper-V from there, and click OK. Wait for the Windows to search the required files. Now restart your system. Once you are back after the restart, let us install an operating system and check how Hyper-V works. Once the download is complete, search for Hyper-V Manager from the Start menu. From the Actions panel, select a new virtual machine. Specify a name and location to this virtual machine. Choose the generation of virtual as 1. Specify the amount of memory here. We are using 4 GB. Minimum memory space is 2 GB. Keep the network adapter connection as default switch. Create a virtual hard disk. We have given 30 GB of space. You can select as much you want. Select Install an operating system, and select the image file that was downloaded earlier. After all the steps completed, click on the Finish button. Click on Connect Linux Mint, and start the virtual machine. Select Start Linux Mint and press Enter. Double-click Install Linux Mint. Select Language, Keyboard Layout, and Install now and write the changes to disk. Select your location. Input credentials for your operating system. Once the installation is complete, shut down the Linux Mint. Now click the Linux Mint from the Hyper-V Virtual Machine panel. Start the virtual machine and click Continue and enter your operating system. Now Linux Mint has been successfully installed on Hyper-V. Along with this, let's try to solve a problem on how to full screen the Linux Mint. Download this command file from the description below. Copy the first command and paste it onto the terminal. Now copy the second command, and paste it in the place of Linux default, and give the recommended screen size. Now press Ctrl-O and enter to save, and press Ctrl-X to exit. Now, update the grub by copying the third command and paste it on the terminal, and press enter. Now shut down the Linux Mint, and start the virtual machine back. Full screen problem has been now successfully solved. Thank you for watching this video. If any queries, drop a comment below.